math. So hello everybody, my name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a histogram in Matplotlib. Okay, today we're going to learn how to make that. First, what is a histogram? Like a histogram is like it keeps a numerical data and puts this into a bar. I'll show you an example of a histogram here. I'll show you how it looks like. It's like a bar, but a histogram looks like this. So here is one example. Uh, if I show you, let's see here. Like for example, like this histogram as you can see here. This is what a histogram looks like. These are the values. So this is the height and that's the variable. So value and frequency basically. And today we're going to be learning how to make this histogram. So let's start. We'll need to use NumPy and Matplotlib for this, two libraries. So import matplotlib dot py plot as plt. Then import NumPy as np. What we do here first what we do here is we need to first make the random numbers. So we'll put something called data. What am I writing? Data equals to np dot random dot rand 1,000, meaning it will generate 1,000 random numbers. That's what it means. So I'll print data to show you. Data, it should be here on pods. So here, it's printing 1,000 random numbers. And we want to put this into a histogram. Let's start. First, plt.hist, which is histogram. We put our data, comma, color. We have to pick one color. It's not like a bar chart where you can put many colors because histogram is just like one whole bar chart. So all those bar charts just have to be one color. So we'll put one color, meaning we don't have to put a list. Blue. Okay. Yeah. Blue. Then after that, after blue, we need to put how many like charts do we want? Like, do we want 30 like bars? Let's say do we want 30 bars, 1 bar, 100 bars? So bins means how many bars you want. Like you want 30, 20, 100, 1,000, 500. So we'll put 30 bins, comma, edge color. You'll see what edge color means. I'll show you. Edge color equals to oopsies. Black. I'll show you an example. I'll use my pen. Let's say my bar, let's say my edge color is black. Okay? Then after that, I color this whole thing in red. Okay? So what edge color means is like the side of the bar. It means what color is gonna be the side of the bar. So edge color means like the side of the bar. And what color do you want to pick? So if I put black, the side of the bar will be black. If I put red, it will be red. I'll show you. But first we need to add the labels. here. PLT dot X label value, then PLT dot Y label, like X and Y axes. Frequency, right? And then PLT dot grid, not grid, title, histogram, right? Okay? Okay, so guys, my Wi-Fi was laggy, right? I just had a power outage, but now it's back on. Okay? Like just something happened, let's say. So after that, we'll do PLT dot grid. True. Okay? So it will give the grid. Then PLT dot show. Now I'll show you what it means by edge color. So see, edge color, you see that black thing there? That's what the edge color is. You won't see it, but here, if I put red, you see this whole thing is red. The edge color is red, okay? That's what I mean by edge color. That's what edge color means, basically. Okay? So this is how you create a histogram. Like that. Very simple, right? So thank everyone for listening to my video about how to create a histogram. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you liked it, and bye.